Welcome to Soul Sanctuary. In this 7-minute guided meditation, we'll journey inward to cultivate self-compassion and awaken your inner strength. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and let's begin this transformative practice together. Take a deep breath in through your nose, allowing your lungs to fill completely. Hold for a moment and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension. With each inhale, draw in calmness and self-acceptance. With each exhale, let go of self-judgment and doubt. Continue this breathing rhythm, feeling your body relax and your mind center. Imagine standing before a mirror, gazing softly at your reflection. See yourself through the eyes of unconditional love and understanding. Notice any areas where you hold tension or self-criticism. As you continue to breathe, envision a warm, golden light emanating from your heart, enveloping your entire being with compassion and kindness. Allow this light to soothe any discomfort, replacing it with acceptance and love. Silently repeat these affirmations. I am worthy of love and kindness. I embrace my imperfections with compassion. My inner strength guides me through challenges. I trust in my ability to grow and evolve. Let these affirmations resonate deeply within, reinforcing your self-compassion and inner resilience. Bring your attention back to your breath, feeling the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Know that this sense of self-compassion and inner strength resides within you, accessible at any moment. As you breathe, anchor this feeling into your being, carrying it with you throughout your day. Take one more deep breath in and exhale slowly. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, bringing this sense of self-compassion and inner strength into the present moment. Thank you for joining this meditation. If it resonated with you, please like, comment, and subscribe to Soul Sanctuary for more guided meditations to support your journey.